What's good, Auto Gang? It's your boy Easy Auto, and I'm back at y'all with another video. So, bitch, I'm greedy. Okay. Alright, y'all, it's hot out here. You know what I'm saying? You know how hot it is? It's that hot. I'm getting it in. Change the intake, up in little intake gaskets in my 96 two-door Tahoe. New watch. So I got grass under it, so I ain't really been driving it. So, because every time I do drive it, the gasket was you can hear it hissing and everything. It's causing the vehicle to run hot, so I wasn't really driving it. So it's that old intake right here, intake, lower and upper intake, and I do got the spider injectors in here, so I'm gonna take out the spider injectors and switch it to the other intake I have, since I have two of them. But the reason I'm gonna switch the intake and not just put it back on, I clean this one out, so I think it run a little better, a lot better. It's the Gaskets Fel Pro intake manifold gasket set, and part number MS90131, and this is for a 96 Tahoe two-door joint. So to get to this step here, you got to take your bracket for your power steering and your air conditioning. Take this bracket off. I'm gonna clean this up and probably spray paint this black or something, or red. Give the engine bay a little life. Get your pulley puller. Pull up that pulley. I'm going on right here, and you got to do that. Replace, take off that whole AC power steering bracket. Once you take that off, you're able to lift up fully on the intake manifold, because it hits right here on the edge. But I'm gonna go ahead and get these get this cleaned up, the valve cover cleaned up, put this back on, and cut y'all back on. And I figured I might as well clean up the power steering AC bracket, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with some primer, some red. That red spray paint will give it about 20 horsepower, you hear me? So y'all look out. So I got my first coat on. Take that alternator bracket off. I'm about to spray that one up as well. Hit that with the red. So that's another 20 horsepower, 2040. Shit, stop playing. Yeah, gang. Spray those up. I'm gonna clean these valve covers off as well, and spray them. I ain't gonna do them red, that'll be too much. Hit them with a little slight black right quick, just to touch them up. And see, put everything back together. And I already cleaned up. Went ahead and cleaned up all those sides and everything. So I'm gonna come back with the brake cleaner and hit it one more time, clean it up. Put them gaskets back on there, put the intake, and good to go. Everything cleaned up. The brackets painted. Swapping the spider injector. So how that one all cutted up and everything. This one a lot better. So throw them spider injectors in there. Change them cover gaskets. This for the lower gasket, upper gasket. Alright, got my upper intake gasket installed, spider injectors installed, tighten down. Yeah, man. gaskets in. Gotta add some gasket maker. Put it right here in the front. Put that gasket, put that up and little intake back on. Tighten everything down. Put that back on when I put the intake back on. Now I got the intake back on. Now I'm gonna put that distributor in and make sure when you installing a distributor, got it in TDC, top dead center. So I'm gonna install the fuel lines, hook up all the connectors, should be good to go. So I got everything put back together. I'm waiting on this battery to charge. It's on, but it has 0, so I got a charger. Once it's all charged up, I'll give it a test fire. This thing start up, we good. If it ain't, go back to the drum board. So give y'all a raw shot when it fire up. If everything all good, you know. Alright, I said like 31%. It's gonna go up a little bit now. It might start, let me see. I did. Alright, I ain't gonna say I forgot, but I forgot. It's on the battery charger, so that's good that I did forget. So hopefully the battery is charged. If it ain't charged, the battery probably dead. Not, you know, literally bad. So let's see what we got. Got my young boy. Let me see before I start this up. We got lights. Pop the hood right quick, make sure. So you have a bad battery. Alright. Even with it charged up, let's see if we got some fire. Let's see what we got. Think we got something? Running. gang. Gotta get on this black thing next. We got the two-door running, intake replacement, upper and lower. Yeah. Just say, little man, say check that channel out. Easy Auto.